All right, thanks for tuning in. Dr. Tyler's going to show us chin tucks, or turtle stretch as we call it, an isometric loading version of that, and then also a banded resistance version of that. These are great if you're someone who has an anterior head position and rounded forward shoulders. Tyler will show us what that looks like. We see this all the time in the clinic, people coming in, especially if you sit a lot. So Tyler is going to demonstrate the chin tuck by just sitting up nice and straight, pulling his shoulders down and back, and he's going to pull his head straight back over his shoulders and tuck his chin down slightly. This is going to work the deep cervical flexors in the neck and also stretch or relieve some of these cervical extensors back here that are often working overtime. So again, with this one, just pulling your head so your ears are straight up and down over your shoulders and tucking that chin slightly. You could hold that for about 5 seconds on each repetition. If you want to make it a little bit harder, add some resistance, you can do an isometric push, so you can pull the head back same way, and then you're going to use your hand to apply pressure to your forehead and actually push into your hand to create a little bit of isometric resistance there. Again, 5 to 7 second hold with each repetition, and that's going to be a little bit harder, so a good next step if those chin tucks are getting easy for you. You could also push into your chin as opposed to your forehead. Again, he's going to now push his head forward into his hand to create that isometric contraction. And then the last version that we have here is going to be a banded chin tuck or banded cervical retraction. For that, you just need some sort of lightweight resistance band. Tyler's just going to wrap it around the backside of his head, and he's going to, again, pull his head straight back so his ears are over his shoulders, tuck his chin slightly, and he can hold each repetition for about 5 seconds. Great. Thanks for watching.